Hello and welcome back to the channel. Bike washing. It's not the most fun thing to do, is it? But we all have to do it. So today we're going to go over what I do after a ride. How do I clean the bike up? How do I get it ready for the next ride? So stay tuned. We're going to have some fun. Hopefully get a little wet in this hot day. What tools do I use? What do I use when I wash it? So I start off, I have a Harbor Freight pressure washer. Puts out 1750 psi, about $100. They're really good. I've had it for years. Can't go wrong with it. I use an Amazon foam sprayer, foam cannon, and with honeydew snow foam, assortment of brushes, a motorcycle stand, and a wash bed. That's all I use. I don't do the 2-bucket method for the dirt bike. I do it for my cars and my street bike, but dirt bike, I'm not too worried about it. We can still get it nice and clean without it. Before starting any cleaning session, I always come in here and make sure my gas is turned off to the petcock going into the carburetor. And I come around to the back and make sure the wash plug is fully seated so we don't get any water down in the exhaust. It tends to ruin the packing and the muffler. It makes a huge mess. Not something I really want to deal with. First thing we're going to do is we're going to lay the bike over. Helps us get underneath and get all the dirt off from the skid plate to the underside of the swing arm. And so we're going to take our motorcycle stand, move it out a little bit away from the bike, grab it by the handlebars, and just lay the bike over so it's nice and steady. Now you can see we have good access to the underside. Once we're done hosing it off on this side, we'll go ahead, flip it over, do the same thing again. Things I like to focus on up in here behind the radiators, up underneath the fuel tank, and then down the swing arm and up under the exhaust, the muffler there. Dirt likes to live and kind of hide out in there. And when we stand it up for the last step, it's very hard to get to it. Make sure you're looking in here, up underneath the fender, and as well as the front hub. So to set the foam cannon up, I pour 90% of water into it. We'll take our honeydew snow foam. I like this stuff, it really foams up nicely, given I don't have a whole lot of high pressure, but we'll add the German amount into it of good enough. take your nozzle, go ahead, screw the nozzle on, flip her back and forth, get it all nice and mixed up. You should have a nice good color in there. That's how you know you're going to get some nice foam out of it. Once we're done with that, grab your wand. I usually pull the spray, you have to pull the spray nozzle off, and we will connect this. You're ready to go. Refoamed it again just to get some lubrication on the plastics and everything. And we're going to take our brushes and our wash mitt, and we're going to go ahead and
got it.
once we're done scrubbing it down, go ahead and rinse. So that's it. It's pretty easy, pretty quick, pretty painless. Bike's ready for a next ride. If you like the content of this video, make sure you've subscribed to the channel, like the video, and click that little bell so you get notifications when I upload a new video.